my channel, I'm doing another collaboration. I'm teaming up with 5 amazing vegan YouTuber ladies to bring you apple-themed recipes for the fall. Let me introduce you to who we will be collaborating with today. Kathy at Veg Inspired is making apple pie granola bars. Liz at A Rockin' Vegan is making an apple pie smoothie. Ashley at Ashley Nicole Rice YouTube channel is making a Minnesotan apple pie crisp. Brittany at Vegan Wife Life is making pumpkin apple butter. Jenny at Team Broccoli is making Jicama Apple slaw. And I'm making mini apple pie cups. To start off, in a large food processor, add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2/3 cup of chilled vegan butter. I always use the Earth Balance brand for any kind of pie crust. I just love the way it comes out. It's really flaky and delicious, and it acts like real butter. And process that for just a few minutes until it all comes together and it resembles like small little peas. And finally, for the crust, add 4 tablespoons of cold water and give that just another couple of pulses until it starts to stick together. Lightly flour your working surface and pour out your dough and form into a disc. Using a rolling pin, roll out the dough until it's 1/4 of an inch thick. Using a 4-inch wide biscuit cutter or cup, cut out little mini circles in the dough, and you'll probably need to roll it out a second time. Just make sure that the cup or cutter is 4 inches so that it fits in the muffin tins properly. Transfer the crust to a muffin tin, then stick the muffin tin in the refrigerator to stay cool while you make the apple pie filling. For the mini apple pie cups today, I'm going to be using Granny Smith apples, but you can also use Honeycrisp apples or Pink Ladies, or a combination of Granny Smith and Pink Ladies. I've done that in apple pies in the past, and it tastes so good that way too. Peel the apples and chop them into small little pieces. Add the chopped apples to a really large bowl, then add in 3/4 cup of organic cane sugar, 6 tablespoons of flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, and give that a really good stir until it's all nice and combined. Next, add the apple pie filling to the muffin tin cups. Then, using any kind of remaining dough that you have, you can make any kind of crust top design that you want. I'm doing that lattice effect where you go over, under, over, under. I think that looks really cute, especially for fall. Then bake at a 425-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes until they're golden brown and the apples are bubbling. I ran out of dough, so I have a couple that don't have a top, and those actually came out really cute and delicious too. Vegan mini apple pie cups are the perfect spin to the classic apple pie. It has a flaky, buttery crust and warm, soft cinnamon and nutmeg flavored apples in the middle. I hope that you enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Hit the like if you enjoyed it and subscribe so that you don't miss my next one. And be sure to check out all the other ladies in the collaboration, and Kathy at Veg Inspired, Liz at A Rockin' Vegan, Ashley at Ashley Nicole Rice, Brittany at Vegan Wife Life, and Jenny at Team Broccoli. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!